hope that you all are fine and well. So, I, Rashmi Chetri, your English teacher, okay? So, today we are going to learn about who I am, okay? Means particularly who you are. We are going to learn about this from the very first chapter. So, following this book, okay? This is Vivo's course book 1, okay? So I suppose that you all have this book. School has already provided you the book. Okay, then take it out and open to page number this. Page number 1. Okay, this chapter. Who I am. Okay, everyone is ready? Now tell me who you are. Yes, you are a person, you are a human being, yes, but which gender you belong to, you denote to. Yes, whether you might be a boy also and you might be a girl also. So today we are going to learn about this. Suppose I am a girl, okay, if anyone asks me that who are you, then what I will say, what I will give the answer, that is I am a girl. And suppose if I am a boy, okay, then what I will give the answer, what I will answer then, him or her, that I am a boy. So that means if someone asks you or tells you that tell me about yourself, then what you will say, that if you are a boy, then you will say I am a boy. And if you are a girl, then what you will say, that I am a girl. Suppose student A, okay, she is a girl and her name is Rita, okay, Rita. Then what she will say, if I ask her, what is your name? Stand up and tell me your name. Then what she will reply, how she will answer, that my name is Rita and I am a girl. Okay. Now similarly, I am going to ask student B. Okay, he is a boy. Suppose that he is a boy and his name is Rahul. Okay. Now I'll ask him that yes, you stand up. Can you tell me your name or can you tell me about yourself? Then what he is going to reply, that my name is Rahul and I am a boy. Yes. And similarly, that how we need to say all about, if we need to say about our family, then how we will say that, suppose like student A, okay, I have asked her, okay, tell me about yourself, then how she will say that my name is Rita, I am a girl, my father's name is this, she will say her father's name, then he is a man. Then again about her mother, my mother's name is this, dash, okay, means my mother's name is dash, in dash you have to fill your mother's name, okay, my mother's name is dash, she is a woman. Now suppose if student A, that is Rita, if she has any small baby sister, okay, or baby brother, okay, then how she will say, I have one brother younger to me, he is a boy, and I have a sister, baby sister, she is a girl, okay. To the male ones we say he and we say boy, and to the female ones what we say, we use she and we say girl, okay. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, similarly, today we are also going to learn about the people who help us. Okay, that means community helpers. Community helpers are the one, means people, those who help us in our need, in our need, is known as community helpers. First, what we have learned, who I am, means I am a girl or I am a boy. Okay, now we are going to learn about community helpers. The people who help us in our need is known as community helpers. Okay, like suppose a policeman. How a policeman can help us? Can you tell me? Yes, if a thief come and he robs a bank, or if he robs your house, he is trying to stole the things from your house. Then if you inform policeman, then what a police officer, then what he will do? He will come immediately and he will catch the thief. Yes. Now the police officer can help us by catching a thief. Catching the thief. Okay. Thief means the one who steals. Okay. Chori karna. Okay. Chor we can say in Hindi. Now, how can a doctor help you? Can you tell me? Yes, exactly. A doctor can help us by when we are sick. We are suffering from a fever or anything. Then who can help us here? Yes, a doctor can help us by prescribing us a medicine or treating us. Okay, means a doctor can only say that what type of how you are suffering, what type of fever or what type of pain you are suffering from. Okay, then he will prescribe you a medicine. In this way, doctor helps us. Okay, and if suppose, who helps you in school? Like who teaches you the things like alphabets and many more? Who teaches you? Yes, a teacher. A teacher is also a helper because she is helping you by knowing to help you knowing the things. Okay, means to help you in learning. A teacher is helping you in learning. Okay. Okay, now this is a riddle that I'm gonna ask you. You have to answer it. Okay, so I'm asking you the question. What you will do is you will just pause the video. Okay, then you will say the answer. You will recite the answer, and then you can play it, and then just check it out whether it's correct or not. All right. So the first riddle is: I help you when you are sick or hurt. I also help you to stay healthy. Who I am? Can you tell me? I have asked means in the question it is written, I help you when you are sick or hurt. I also help you to stay healthy. Who I am? Yes, exactly. Doctor. He is I am a doctor. Doctor helps when we are sick or hurt, and he also helps us in staying healthy. Okay? Okay, very good. Now next. I help you to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Who helps you? Who I am? I help you to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Who I am? Means whenever you are suffering from a toothache, who helps you to treat the problem? Yes, dentist. I am a dentist. Only dentist can prescribe you when you are suffering from a toothache or a germ problem. Okay? Now, the third riddle. I keep people safe. I protect our community from a crime. I make sure people follow the rules. Who I am? Can you say? Yes, I am a police officer. As I have said you before earlier that a police officer helps us in catching the thief. Means the one who does the crime. Okay? Now let's move on to the fourth one. I teach children many things that they need to know. Who I am? Can you say? Can you answer me? Yes, I am a teacher. Okay, very good. Now the last one. I put out fire and rescue people. Whenever there means you might have seen somewhere means a fire. Okay, about a fire. कहीं पे आग लग गया. Then who helps in that situation? A firefighter. Okay, he comes and he pour out the water. Yes, he had a big tank. He comes with a big tank, right? Then he pours a water in that fire fireplace, right? So a firefighter helps us to put out fire and to rescue people. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this. Now come to open to page number 2. Here Here you can see a box, right? This blue portion. Just look at your book. Okay, let's see what we have to do here. Do you know the names of these people who helps you? Find out their names, then sing this song with their names. Okay, there are some names given out. You have to find out who are they. Okay? Now the first one is, I am just giving you the hint. This is your homework, okay? You have to do by yourself. Now I am going to explain you, okay? And I am going to give you the hint. After that you have to do it by yourself. This is your homework, okay? So the bus conductor. Okay. Now have you been to the means market or somewhere means far away with your parents? Yes. Means when we travel, suppose you are going with your father, okay? Suppose you are going 2 kilometers far away from here, from this particular place, okay? Now, if you don't have your own personal vehicle, then what do you use? Either you use a city auto or a local bus, right? Then when we move to a local bus, then what happens? We take a seat, right? And before coming out from there, if we reach and before coming out from the bus, then what happens? A man comes a man comes and asks the money, the fare, right? The bus fare, because we are traveling in his bus, his or her bus, then we have to pay the money, right? So, the man who collects the money in the bus, the man who collects the fare in the bus is known as what he is called? He is a bus conductor. He is known as conductor, okay? First one, it was first one, and the second one, the bus driver, the one who drives the bus. You might have seen a man is sitting in front in the right corner in front, and he is driving the bus. Yes. Now the third one, the person who cleans your classroom. Now when your school gets over, you go back to home again in the next day when you come and see your classroom is very clean and tidy. Now who do you think? Who cleans the room? Okay, this one. And the last one, the grocery shopkeeper. You might have seen your father or your mother used to bring some vegetables, right? So he brings through the grocery store, okay? Grocery store means from where do we get vegetables, okay? So this was the last one. Now you have to think and write. You have to write by your own that what means you have. This is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. I have already given you the hints, okay? I hope that you all have enjoyed this video and you have also known who I am, is particularly what you have to answer when someone is asking you the question, right? And okay, so we are going to, this is your homework, you have to do it, and I will be checking this, okay? Don't you think that I'm not going to check it, Miss is not going to check, so I'm not going to do. No, I will check your homeworks, okay? So let's meet up in the next video with a new chapter, okay? Till then, take care, don't go out and stay safe. Bye-bye.